Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize the new iPhone 17 control center. Actually, at first you have to scroll to the control center, and here now, as you can see, you have three modes of the control center. If you hold your finger and tap on it, as you can see, section, with this minus you can delete this section and delete this section. You can just leave this one. You can add a section by tapping on this. Wait a moment. Of course, don't do like me. Here, you can create a section by tapping on the circle and tap add a control. But let's just stick to customizing your control center. So as you can see here, with this thing you can extend the largeness of the icons. For example, here we have battery. We can enlarge it to low power mode off. We can enlarge this widget like this, or of course do something like this to minimize it. We can enlarge every single thing that we just want. Here with this minus we can delete icons, delete, 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 and delete. And if you just want to add a control, tap add a control here and either search or find your new one in there. We can move the controls too by holding the finger on each and placing it somewhere here, for example. That's how it works. And if you want to know how to, if you want to just reset your iPhone 17 control center to the basic one, open settings, scroll down to the control center, and now tap reset control center, reset. Now let's check how does it look like. It's the old one. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.